The modern model treats the universe as a dead room, an empty grid of spinning rocks and cold vacuum. But this mechanical map fails to account for lived experience, leaving altered states and recurring patterns with nowhere to land. This is a calibration crisis, when the metaphors used to describe reality grow too thin to hold the weight of observations. The cultural model enters a stress response. These coordinate rings and constellations function as an orientation system. Ancient sky maps mapped these recurring patterns as an interface, providing a way for an observer to navigate the layers of a complex system. We are reaching back for this older vocabulary because our modern words have run out. We are translating a forgotten map into the language of the present. The cosmic egg model centers on a bounded field. This classical relief depicts a winged figure contained within a zodiac wheel, a closed circuit. The coiled serpent represents raw frequency, acting as a nested electromagnetic field defining the limits of the rendered world. This field creates a specific cosmological requirement. A boundary only functions when an observer is present to perceive the limit. In this model, the universe requires a receiver to render its boundaries into a navigable reality. To interact with these frequencies, consciousness utilizes the physical body as an antenna. Ancient traditions describe this as being a star wrapped in flesh. A gate requires a specific physical resonance to function. This threshold ecology suggests that the body is the necessary equipment for surviving a crossing between states of perception. The nervous system acts as a frequency regulator, filtering vast cosmic data into a stream a single mind can process. The spine's central column serves as a step-down mechanism, reducing overwhelming signal into the narrow-band perception we call the world. The human body provides the functional hardware required to make the universe legible. Reports of the DMT waiting room describe a threshold state. Within this cosmological model, these experiences are encounters with the interface itself rather than journeys to a distant physical location. When the nervous system changes its tuning, the guardians and boundary intelligences of this interface become visible to the observer. Ancient sky manuals, like this Egyptian relief, mapped these threshold protocols. Figures holding staffs and boats represent gatekeepers managing frequency governance to maintain the boundary. Altered states allow an observer to see the gatehouse architecture from the inside, revealing the rules that govern the crossing. The human mind functions as a checkpoint, filtering a continuous stream of data from the surrounding field. We can view everyday experiences, intrusive thoughts, sudden dread, and dreams as border traffic. These external frequencies interact with our local attention. These interactions follow the cyclical rhythms of the broader environment, fluctuating as our biological antenna moves through celestial currents. Psychological tension often signals the nervous system receiving a surge of unfiltered cosmic data. The existence of an electromagnetic shell often triggers a sense of being trapped. In nature, a shell repels chaotic external forces to protect the growth within. The boundary provides the stable infrastructure needed to reach maturity. The cosmic egg operates as a developmental incubator for consciousness. It ensures the signal within can grow without being overwhelmed by infinite external currents. We are cosmic signals maturing inside a physical shell. The process is not about breaking the boundary, but becoming mature enough to cross the threshold.